Hi everyone, for today's video I'm here on the Kucoin exchange. There's something on this platform that I want to show all of you. Now I would have often jokingly told people in the past that Kucoin is like the little brother to Binance, in that both of these platforms are extremely similar in aesthetics and functionality, but Binance has the greater liquidity whereas Kucoin has more tokens and trading pairs. However, Kucoin has distinguished themselves in recent times with some new unique tools that have been added to their platform. And now that the market has seemed to take a slight downturn, this might be a good time now to show you guys their new dollar cost averaging trading bot. Now, investing in cryptocurrency is risky, and as some would say, you should never try to invest more than what you are willing to lose. This is why I prefer to dollar cost average over frequent trading. Now, dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short, is a very conservative investment strategy where you commit to buying a certain amount of an asset at fixed intervals over a long period of time. This would be in contrast to simply buying large amounts of crypto all at once. Some people do that, but in my experience it is hard to time the market, and for example, if you had jumped all in on Bitcoin at $35,000 thinking that this was the market bottom, then today you would probably be in a summer mood as Bitcoin's price hovers around $29,000 to $30,000. Dollar cost averaging helps to control your risks and obtain stable returns in this volatile market. Once you really try to stick to your plan, regardless of whether the asset goes up or down in price, the idea is your average purchases will eventually even out your profits and losses, or in most cases yield good overall profits in the long run. This has been my preferred investing strategy since 2017 to 2021, and I'm not complaining. My net portfolio is mostly in green. I would recommend this strategy to all new investors or to any investors who don't have much crypto funds but have a stable income. So let me show you where you can go and find the bots themselves. You go to trade, you'll see a list of options, and we're going to head down to the trading bot. Kucoin trading bot. As you can see here, they have 2,559,567 bots being created worldwide, and they even have a little scoreboard showing you the daily rankings of the bot users. Now, don't be too excited with these high percentage returns. These numbers are recorded as APR, annualized percentage rate, meaning that although the person, as you can see here, only ran this bot for 1 day and 3 hours, his profits were extrapolated as if he were to have run that bot for an entire year. So what you should do is divide these numbers by 365 to get the actual profits that these persons are making using the bots. Now if I scroll down further, you see a list of all the different trading strategies that these bots can incorporate. You have the classic grid, which is where you tell the bot to buy low and sell high. You have the dollar cost averaging one, which is the one I'm going to test out today. You have one for futures, margin trading, infinity grid, and dynamic rebalancing of your portfolio. Now, I'm not an active trader, therefore I would have to do more research on these other strategies before I make a tutorial video on them, but they make it seem very easy. As I say down here, you can select a strategy, invest funds, and start earning. Choose a trading strategy according to the market dynamics and your preference. Devote the amount you want to invest and start your bot. The bot will trade based on the preset strategy and keep earning profits. So let me go and see if I can go and access the bot. I'm going to click try now, and it takes me back down here to show me that the bot is only accessible on the Kucoin mobile app. This is what the actual app itself should look like, and once you scroll down you'll see the trading bot button. Once you click it, on this particular page you'll see all of the list of bots that Kucoin has to offer, but we're going to choose DCA. This should be the screen that you should see. Over in the top left hand corner you'll see that there are 59,711 active bots, and once you scroll down you'll see the 7-day ranking and leaderboard that we mentioned before. But what I'm interested in is the create button. This is where you will go to see now the list of all the token pairs that you can dollar cost average into. It is quite an extensive list of tokens and coins, but of course you will see some main ones such as Bitcoin, Kucoin shares, Ethereum, ADA, XRP, Litecoin, Aave, and a whole host of DeFi tokens that you can aim to dollar cost into. But of course, for this tutorial, I'm going to select BTC to USDT and click next. Here you'll see a pop-up, a security verification. It will be sent to my email and I'm supposed to enter that code into the app to proceed. And once that is complete, I can now proceed to the next page. And here's where I will see all of my bot parameters. Right now you can see the default is I can invest $10 USDT every day, and I can start right now. But of course I want to adjust this. I can adjust this manually by typing in the amount, or I can slide the slider to increase the amount. However, you should note that it does say that you must have the funds on your trading account for this to work. So I have to go back and transfer from my main account to my trading account. In this case, I have around 200 USDT, and I'm going to select all and confirm. And now I'll be taken back to the main page where I will now go to adjust the amount of USDT I want to invest. In this case, I'm going to type in 20 USDT. Now I will go to adjust the frequency of my investment. I can select between days, hours, or even weeks. In this case, I'm going to select every day. Now finally, I can even go and select the specific hour that I would like to make my first investment, but I'm going to keep it for right now, meaning that the investment is going to happen instantaneously. And now I go and click on next. And on this screen now, you will see your profit target based off of Kucoin's historical data. For example, if I want to make a 10% profit off of my Bitcoin dollar cost average investment, it should take me around 2 months to reach my goal. I can always adjust this slider, and of course the amount of time will also change based off of what the algorithm predicts it to be. Now the final two buttons on this page are for you to determine if you would like the bot to stop trading for you after you have reached your goal and have it automatically cash back into USDT on your behalf, or if you would like it to be continuously dollar cost averaging even after you have passed your goals. And of course I'm going to select the first option, which would be continuous dollar cost averaging. Now all the parameters have been set up the way I would like. I'm going to click confirm, then allow the page to load. And there you have it, my bot has been successfully activated. As you can see here, it's already conducted one transaction of exactly 20 USDT, and I bought Bitcoin at an average price of $29,546.06. So far on this trade, I am down in my position by 0.06%. In other words, I lost 0.013 USDT, but that is because of the market fluctuations. I would expect if when I come back tomorrow or a couple of days later that this percentage will be a lot different, and I'm hoping that it will be in the green. The only thing left now to show you will be the various tabs at the bottom of the app. You can go and select your profits, and this will show you a spreadsheet of all of your profits between 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. The next tab you can go to would be the ranking tab. This will give you a list of all of the top trading bots on the platform. And finally, if you go back to the bots tab, this will show you all the other types of trading bots you can activate on Kucoin. Now if you found this video nice and easy to follow, you can leave me a like, and you can even share it with your friends. Now if you want to stay up to date with more videos like this, remember to subscribe and also hit that bell notification. Now for the intermediate and advanced traders out there, I'll leave some resources in my video description showing you a video on how you can set up the classic grid trading bot. Now because I'm in the Caribbean, this channel cannot be monetized in a traditional way. If you would like to support this channel, then feel free to use any of my referral links that you would have seen throughout this video, and you can also see these links in my description. If you want to donate any cryptocurrency to me, you can also donate to these two addresses. They have Bitcoin and Ethereum address, and any other addresses you will also see in my description. Remember, you can join me on Telegram, and you can also follow me on my social media platforms. If you enjoyed the video, thank you for watching. This is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. I'll see you next time.